Hi everybody, it's the Chuckle Brothers. And
To me, to you.
To me, to you.
To me, to I loved them, they were so funny.
And we cordially invite you on a traditional family trip, minus the family. Just me and her. But we're a bit skint, so we're having a cheap day out in Blackpool if there's such a thing. We've got enough money for us alcohol, so we've got us priorities right.
Around the
Yeah, well, it's been 2 weeks since his last trip, so I'm ready for a drink.
Yeah,
That'll
I mean,
be nice.
I worked 6 days in a row.
You've had a tough week.
I have. It's been really busy, and the days are just really
I've had a
busy days.
I've had a weird week. I went to a funeral the other day, and I went up to a widow. It's not funny. I went up to a widow, I says, "Can I have Wi-Fi code, please?" She says, "That is so disrespectful, you fat ball." I says, "Is that lowercase?"
You can't say bad.
I can't edit it out. And then I got chatted up on bus yesterday. I was on bus going into town. I got chatted up. This woman, she just sat next to me. She says, "Have you any pets?" I said, "Yeah, I've got a goldfish." She says, "Hobbies?" I says, "You like swimming?" So we're staying at a pub called The Shovels. We're living it up, aren't we?
We are, yeah. The Shovels. That doesn't sound good, does it? Oh my God, look, karaoke.
Alright, I think we'll karaoke. It's a long walk apparently. And poor Helen's got a dodgy hip. Thank you, sweetheart.
Yeah, but I'm soldiering on.
Being a tougher.
Yeah, I'm okay. I've got to go and have a doctor look at it.
Yeah, hip replacement, I'm telling you. So we've been in Blackpool for exactly 10 minutes. We've nearly been stabbed in a pub, and we've seen 2 inflatable penises. That comedy timing weren't right good. I've been stood here for 20 minutes waiting for a bloody tram so we could pull Alan Bradley joke, and you've ruined it. Ellen says there's a pub there, Witherspoon's Velvet Toaster. Eat you, love?
Yeah.
Look at that one. They're really going to town on that one. What did you say, Helen? He's pimped his ride.
He's pimped his ride.
That's your favourite programme, isn't it?
Yeah, and cribs.
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 Cheers.
Cheers.
We've done well with weather, haven't we?
Yeah, it's great.
Can't believe it. Fantastic.
It's great, it's brilliant.
And we're going to go and have us corned beef sandwiches in a bit on the front, aren't we?
Yeah. And some chips.
It just leaves us more money to spend on beer.
Well, it does, yeah. Because we're not made of money, are we?
We're very poor.
You can do it on a budget, can't you? Bring your own sandwiches, have some chips.
You know, when you've been you get in a comfy spot in pub, you like get the best spot and it's in sun,
Yeah.
and then you realise you've been sat there for several hours.
For 2 hours.
So, yeah.
Donuts.
We need to get some.
I can smell donuts. Ooh.
We're getting chips, fish and chips. We'll get some chips from there.
No, look, fish and chips over there.
All right, we'll get them from there.
Oh God, look at
And
that.
we've got his corned beef sandwiches.
Yeah.
So we're going to
We're doing it on cheap, aren't we? We're spending all our money on booze and not on food.
We've got a budget for today, and it's going on booze and a bag of chips. So we're going in.
And I'm going to stretch to some donuts.
Some donuts.
Yeah.
Living dream. So we're going to go in here.
Yeah.
Pablo's. Get some chips.
Are we going to get 2 portions or just one?
No, we'll just get a large portion of chips. £3.40 for them chips.
Each.
£2.40.
For a dandelion bird eye.
£2.40 for that. Get sandwiches out. I'm not bothered.
Do you know
after
what?
I've paid that.
That's criminal.
Oh.
Do you know Pablo didn't even want to lock it up?
Yeah. That's just that's ridiculous. I know I'm a bit tight anyway, but
Honestly, it is ridiculous. You might get it in a fat. Look, we're paying for the fancy.
it's not even a large portion.
Yeah, we said, can we have a large portion of fries? And then she said, oh, we only do like the standard size. And we said, how many chips is there? And the other person said 10.
Yeah.
And we said we were going to count. They weren't lying.
I think somebody's come to Blackpool and they thought that's it. Where are you?
Where are you, the person that owns these shoes? Because you only ever see one shoe, you never see 2 shoes.
That's right. But yeah, I like this bit. This is nice. It's freezing though.
It is, it's a bit
Really brisk. We've not even got to the tower yet.
It's miniature compared to the Eiffel
Yeah,
Tower.
look, we all know you've been to Eiffel Tower. You keep telling us.
Several times.
Yeah.
What do you mean keep telling
You
us?
keep telling me you've been to
Telling
Eiffel.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I want
it's
us
not
to
as big
go.
as Eiffel Tower.
I want us to go, darling.
Well, we're in
Hey.
Blackpool. Second best.
J'adore Paris.
Yeah, alright, whatever. She wanted Paris, I fetched her to Blackpool. And all she's done is complain. It's not as big as Eiffel Tower. What you got? They look good.
There I go.
If it's fish and chips you want, why not try our award-winning fish and chip shop? Using only sustainable
Shenanigans.
Can we go and have some shenanigans?
We're not going in there.
Right, look, free entree. Take me home.
We're not going in shenanigans. Are we going in here?
Yeah.
After you.
What's that? What's that?
So how are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Having a good time?
At least he won't talk back.
Big time, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank
Thanks.
you. Well
Yeah,
done.
we can put it in there.
What are you doing? You make me feel bad because it's just me kebabbing it.
Are you enjoying that?
Yeah. I've been to the gym today though.
Well, we've got to walk 4 miles back to the van, so... Oh, look! Shenanigans! Hey!
How you doing? Last one this.
I'm tired, I'm really tired.
Come on, cheers. So we're just... we're nearly home. We're nearly back at the van.
Yeah, my hips really hurting now.
I'll hop along here. We've walked, well, we've done about 2 miles and we've got about another 2.
How many miles have we walked today?
We must have done.
We must have done about 10 miles.
Yeah, we've just come here for
Was it, how long was it to come here? 2 miles up to the front. And then another 2 miles up
So we
there.
did 4.
So that's
we've
4.
done 8 and then a little bit in between. We've done 10 mile easy today. But, you know, we need to burn off these donuts, kebabs and beers. I'm so tired.
Oh, do you know what I could do with now?
What? You're not having a massage?
Foot massage.
Yeah, tough. And we said, oh, we'll go back and we'll get in van and we'll watch Quantum Leap.
Yeah, that sounds good.
No, I don't want to. I'm so tired.
Oh, yeah.
I'll put it on. Do you want me to put it on for you?
No, because I'm going to be asleep.
You're going to be asleep in
1 minute.
Yeah. So we should... Let's just go to sleep, innit? Today is going to be a complete well, I don't know about relaxing, but the antidote. We're going to have a lovely breakfast somewhere, probably Morrison's or something, if it's okay.
Yes, we're going to decompress, aren't we?
And then we're going to have a relaxing drive over to the Pendle area.
I need to work out where we're going.
And we're going to have a nice hike, a walk.
I need to get my map out.
We're going to have a walk up Pendle Hill.
Yeah.
She's off the famous walk to the Morrison's bathroom. She just don't care. We're heading up to Pendle Hill, and Helen has worked as a...
Yeah, I don't really know how far it is, but it's a circular walk.
But we've just checked the forecast and it's gonna rain a lot, to say the least. We're just waiting for her indoors again. Sun's come out. Does the route go up that way, do you think?
It does. It goes up, it's called Barley Green.
Right. There's a car park here, but we've managed to get parked. We just dropped on with the spot. Yeah. And there's a pub for when we get back. Although after yesterday I don't really feel like pub at this moment in time. This is nice. Let's go. Oh, she's stopped again. Oh, we've done 10 yards.
Shush, I'm just making sure. Right, so we're going to be passing the reservoir on us left, and we keep going through some woods, and then we get to a junction.
Honestly.
If we reach another body of water, we know we've gone too far.
It's like hiking with one hand tied behind my back. It's like hiking with kids. We have to keep stopping. I just want to walk. So we're going up here then?
No road, no vehicles.
No heavy vehicles. Well, we've got off to a cracking start. It's a thingy cow, isn't it? Highland cow.
It's a Highland cow.
Yeah, there's lots more people don't whistle at the cow.
Oh, it's lovely. I used to be so fit and healthy, and now I'm limping.
Cripple. So it's witches that way, and it's witches that way. We need to know which way is it.
Which way is it?
So tell me what you know about the Pendle witches, Helen.
So I know that it all happened in 1612, the summer of 1612.
Oh God, what day?
Well, I think it was in August. I think it was 12 or 13 people. They were from two feuding families. So one of the families, the head of the family, this old woman, she sort of fancied herself as being a bit of a witch. And in those days, people believed in all that kind of thing. And actually you could get paid, do you know, by doing spells and all that kind of thing, like the wise woman. So one of the women, there was I think 8 women and 2 men or 3 men. One of the daughters dobbed her mum and dad in. She was 9 years old. And you could say, well, I think that they are a witch, and then you'd go on trial.
Just as somebody accused you, weren't it?
But one of the other families, one of the other women had said, well, yes, I'm a witch, do you know, because they wanted to witch each other out. Do you know who was the best witch? But then she owned up to it, didn't she? So she ended up getting hung. So I think one of the women died waiting trial. Someone got let off, and I think that like 10 people were hung.
Really? Wow.
And I don't think that they were actually witches. But everybody was so superstitious in those times.
Sherlock Holmes here. So from the madness of Blackpool yesterday, this is the perfect antidote. A wonderful hike at Pendle Hill. Talk about one extreme to the other. So I think we're on the top, or getting towards the top, and as we walk up here you can feel the air getting a little bit sort of moist.
It's colder.
It's cold, the temperature's dropped, and I think I can see some rain.
Oh, I've just smelt a spot.
Oh, spit in, everybody in, run for your life. Yeah, a few spots, it's coming. Are we getting ready?
Shall we? Should we put a skater on?
Yeah, go on then.
Do it, let's do it.
Here we go again, another wet walk. This time, no moaning, James. We come from in that direction.
Up from Bailey.
I bet it's beautiful views when it's clear up here. I mean, it's pretty good views now with the rain, but you can see in every direction. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think we're at the end of our walk now. And she's stopped. She stops at everything. She reads everything. I took her to a museum once. That's first and last time. Because I was like a normal person whizzing around, and she read every exhibit. We were there hours, honestly. So this is the village of Barley. Very nice. Cheers.
It was a hold of Mr. Mickey. £20.
That's nice when you've had a long walk.
It is.
It feels a lot longer than what it was. You said 5 miles.
It did feel longer. Maybe it was longer.
God, she's got me eating biltong. What the chops out?
It's like beef jerky.
So, what are your thoughts on this weekend?
I've loved it. I've had a great time.
It's been from one extreme to the other. From the bright lights and the dizzy heights,
In Blackpool.
Blackpool, to the serene countryside of Pendle Hill.
To the wet heights, because we got wet.
Yeah. And rounded off with a pine when you're completely and utterly knackered, and then getting back to the van and putting your flip-flops on.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's one of the best feelings ever.
Taking my boots off, my feet feel great.
So, just hope you've enjoyed this video.
What?
We're planning his next trip. We don't know where that's going to be, so if you've got any suggestions, I'm trying to persuade Helen to let me take her to
France.
or something like that. Yeah,
You want to do something like a bit
I want to do something a bit out there. It's not really out there going to France, is it? But
yeah,
it's
a bit further afield.
It's Helen getting the time off work that's the problem. But yeah, we'll try and sort something out. I want to be a bit exotic.
And the time off from being a parent. A single parent.
That's the problem, because she not only works every hour, she's also a parent as well. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Forgot about kids.
Do you know them 2 people that I live with? Yeah.
So, I've got biltong all in me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah, we did. I've loved spending time with you. What's been the highlight?
Talking to them, not you.
Oh, what's been the highlight?
Of this weekend. The very highlight. It'll have been today. It'll be a hike. Because Blackpool's just Blackpool, isn't it? The best bit about Blackpool was sat outside with the spoons, and we could have sat there for even longer. We sat there for ages, but because we had got sun on his face, and it was just watching people. And Blackpool's a brilliant place for people watching.
Do you know what keeps bringing to my mind?
What?
That woman with the inflatable boyfriend.
Definitely, yeah, she were right in her. Anyway, we're heading back. So we'll see you all soon.
Sit there.
Ta-da!